In most cases, to qualify for VA disability benefits, you must prove your impairment is service-connected, that it was caused or made worse by an injury or illness which occurred during your time in the military. This is known as a nexus, which means there is a link or a connection of causation. However, there are certain impairments that the VA presumes to be service-connected, and you do not have to establish a nexus for them. If you have a presumptive condition, qualifying for VA disability benefits is a bit easier, but it is still difficult. The VA has complicated rules and procedures to qualify. It can be confusing. That's where we can help. We regularly produce fresh video content to help you untangle the ever-changing VA process. To stay in the know, hit the subscribe button. Basically, if you served in a certain location during a certain qualifying period of time, and then developed a condition listed by the VA as a presumptive, you have automatic service connection. Then to qualify for VA disability benefits, you only have to show on your DD-214 that you were in a designated location at a specific time, and you can produce medical evidence that you developed a listed condition as a result. For example, if you served in the Gulf War where toxic waste was often burned, and you later developed a respiratory impairment, your condition is presumed to be caused by your time in service. Or if you're a Vietnam veteran who served in the Vietnam War and was diagnosed with hypertension, the VA presumes you're exposed to toxic chemicals like Agent Orange. You do not have to provide proof of an in-service event. This removes some of the obstacles associated with filing a VA disability claim. The 2022 PAC Act expanded the list of presumptive conditions. This historic legislation extended eligibility benefits for an estimated 5 million U.S. veterans sickened by exposure to toxic materials during their military service in the Gulf War, post 9/11, and Vietnam War eras. It expands VA benefits for 3 generations of veterans harmed by certain toxic exposures, including burn pits, Agent Orange, and radiation. If you have been unfairly turned down by the VA for benefits for a service-related disability, or if you disagree with the percentage rating of your decision, you have the right to appeal, and you have the right to have an attorney represent you. Call us for a free evaluation of your case. We are accredited VA attorneys. At Cuddigan Law, you have a dedicated team of professionals in your corner who understand the system and who will fight for your rights.